Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Monday, September 21. The Ministry of Health and Wellness is reporting that in the last 24 hours, 57 persons have recovered from the COVID-19 virus, bringing the overall number to 1,407. The island recorded 3 new COVID-19 related deaths, pushing the island's death toll to 70. There are also 155 new confirmed COVID-19 cases, pushing the figure to 5,143. All parishes except Trelawney have recorded positive COVID-19 results. The Ministry of Education, Youth and Information says it will be using geographic information system mapping, demographic and health data to drive the safe reopening of schools on October 5. Portfolio Minister Fable Williams says the initiative will be supported by the Ministry of Health and Wellness. During a recent meeting, the minister unveiled her ministry's strategic approach to the reopening of schools. Minister Williams says the ministry will utilize health ministry data as well as the inspection summary of schools to assess the island's readiness for face-to-face learning. School zones have also been assigned vulnerability scores to allow for continued assessment of their COVID-19 readiness. And Education Minister Fable Williams has extended deepest condolences to the immediate family, staff and students of Kingston College on the passing of Vice Principal Miss Juliet Wilson. Miss Wilson died at the University Hospital of the West Indies on Sunday after being admitted a few weeks ago. Minister Williams says Wilson's death is a significant loss to the Kingston College family, whom she served for more than 25 years. The minister has also pledged to assist the school's principal with any necessary support during this difficult time. In other news, Carnival, Road March and related activities have been cancelled for this year. Carnival in Jamaica, which was originally slated for April, was pushed back until October due to the presence of the COVID-19 virus on the island. The virus has since entered community transmission phase, which has resulted in organizers rescheduling the entertainment event for April 11, 2021. In a recent statement, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett says though mindful of the significant economic loss, foregoing the annual event was in the best interest of the country. Meanwhile, Chairman of the Carnival in Jamaica Stakeholders Committee, Kamal Banke, says all of the bands and fetes will honor all tickets and costumes purchased in 2020 for the 2021 staging. A revised Carnival in Jamaica calendar, including all the major fetes, will be unveiled shortly. The National Works Agency NWA has started work to rehabilitate the Axe and Adze roadway in Hanover. The $15 million project includes improving the drainage system as well as reshaping and asphalting 2 kilometers of roadway. Repair works are expected to be completed by year's end. The NWA's Community Relations Officer for Western Jamaica, Janelle Ricketts, says the agency recently completed repairs on 2 roads leading to the Green Island and St. Simon Primary Schools in Hanover. The upgrades were completed at a cost of $10.4 million and included road resurfacing and drainage improvement. Over in St. James, a section of the North Gully at Green Pond in the parish was rehabilitated. The $10 million upgrade saw to the construction of gully walls and inverts to increase the carrying capacity, and work is far advanced on the $22.7 million Hamden to Adelphi roadway. The repairs, which started in June, will see to the roadway getting improved drainage and a smoother road surface. And finally, the Ministry of Labor and Social Security is urging members of the public to be aware of a scam purporting that it is accepting job applications. The Labor Ministry says the new government employment program designed to create 40,000 new jobs is false. An email address, jamaicaemploymlss@gmail.com, which prospective applicants are asked to send their applications to, is also not associated with the ministry. The Labor Ministry's Permanent Secretary Colette Roberts-Risden is reminding the public to visit Jamaica Labor Market Information System on the ministry's web platform at www.lmis.gov.jm. Persons may contact the ministry for further information at 876-948-7041, 876-922-0366, or 876-948-8708. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.